Adjust time. To adjust the time on the display, proceed as follows. Press the menu icon to enter the menu. Press the icon relative to one of the scrolling arrows until Adjust Time is displayed. Press the OK icon. The hours flash on the display. Press the icon relative to one of the scrolling arrows to change the hour. Press the OK icon to confirm. The minutes flash. Press one of the scrolling arrows to change the minutes. Press the OK icon to confirm. This sets the time. Press the ESC icon to exit the menu.